Good morning, vlog. Yeah, it's about 11 o'clock or so. Today's just gonna be a kind of a slow day. Why? So I'm gonna get up and go get lunch, and then I'm gonna be meeting up with Quorum and then getting my ID renewed, and then we can go from there. She's so cute.
My cat.
I hope you enjoy the vlog today, and I apologize for missing an upload or having a short take and stuff like that. But I'll be back on the grind tomorrow, and Wednesday you'll see a video. So you'll see a better video. Look at your little kitty. Hi. Oh. Playing. Little Freya. So yeah. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Boing. So me and him are on our way to Dreamer's Vault. I go there personally because...
Oh, the dragonfly. Hold on.
Dragonfly. Beautiful little creature right there. They freak me out, but they're absolutely beautiful. As I was saying, the reason why I go there is because
Me and him play Magic a lot there.
and there's donations, so I'm happy. Boing. Those things are so cute.
Did you see the hamster's reaction though?
Yeah. Just digging around.
Digging in the food.
So cute.
Oh, there's one up in the middle cage.
There's that puppy that we saw. Yay! We're gonna be at the falls.
Butt sex.
Butt sex. So,
I farted.
Hey, who's that? I forgot what I was gonna say, but I was gonna say something.
You know what you're gonna say?
Fart?
Butt sex.
Butt sex. But yeah, we're gonna go down to the falls and we're going to, just relax. I really just don't want to walk a whole lot, but I don't want to be in city life. So, might as well go into the natural place in the city. So,
Chapstick.
chapstick. Big butt sex.
I'm here.
So I'm gonna eat this big old rock.
Yeet.
Wee! The price of fun.
Oh no, you got 30. What are we gonna do?
Take a bath.
Where'd I have to leave her? Sorry.
If you fall, I'm gonna laugh.
I know, that's why I had you record me. I'm self-recording on my phone and handing my phone.
Whoops.
Well, we did it. We're in the middle of the water.
Poop on the ground. I don't get it. Why is there poop on the ground?
We're on our way to Cub now. Yay!
Even though we were there already. We just picked up sodas before.
We're on our way to Cub. Flarb. Flarb. Motherfucking flarb. Motherfucking flarb. Motherfucking flarb. Hot breath, stinky farts. Well, I'm going to end the video here. If you liked it, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe and turn on my notifications. And I will see you next time. Frankie's bald!